Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We all know that eating a balanced diet is essential for our overall health. But did you know that some foods can actually harm your brain? What you eat directly impacts your brain's function, from memory and focus to mood and even long-term cognitive health. Today, we'll reveal the most dangerous foods for your brain and why you should avoid them. First on our list is something many of us enjoy a little too much of: sugar. We're talking about all forms of added sugar found in processed foods and sugary drinks. These constant spikes can cause inflammation throughout your body, including your brain. This inflammation can damage brain cells and impair signaling, affecting memory and mood. So, next time you reach for that sugary treat, remember the potential harm to your brain. Let's move on to another culprit that often hides in plain sight: trans fats. These sneaky fats are created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats, giving processed foods a longer shelf life. Trans fats are notorious for increasing your LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and lowering your HDL cholesterol, the good kind. When your arteries are clogged with plaque due to high LDL cholesterol, it restricts blood flow to the brain, depriving it of essential oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to cognitive decline, memory problems, and even increase your risk of stroke. Now you might be thinking, okay, I'll ditch the sugar and opt for artificial sweeteners instead. But hold on a second. While they may seem like a healthier alternative, artificial sweeteners can have their own set of negative effects on your brain. Studies have shown that consuming artificial sweeteners can interfere with the production and function of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in your brain. This disruption can manifest in a variety of ways, including headaches, mood swings, difficulty concentrating, and even an increased risk of depression. So, before you reach for that diet soda, remember that artificial sweeteners might not be as sweet as they seem. Let's talk about alcohol. It's important to understand the impact alcohol has on your brain, especially when consumed in excess. Alcohol impairs judgment, coordination, and speech in the short term. It's a neurotoxin, damaging nerve cells. Excessive drinking can shrink your brain, affecting learning and memory. Enjoy drinks in moderation and be aware of the risks. Let's talk about highly processed foods in our modern diets. Convenient and tempting, but they offer little nutritional value and can harm your brain health. Unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium in processed foods contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress. A diet high in processed foods deprives your brain of essential nourishment. Now, let's address a common food additive that often sparks debate: monosodium glutamate, or MSG. MSG is a flavor enhancer commonly added to processed foods, restaurant dishes, and even some snacks to enhance their savory, umami taste. While MSG is generally recognized as safe for most people, some individuals may be sensitive to its effects and experience adverse reactions. These reactions can vary from person to person, but often include headaches, nausea, sweating, and even brain fog. If you find that you experience these symptoms after consuming foods containing MSG, it's best to limit your intake or avoid it altogether. Now that we've covered the most dangerous foods for your brain, let's shift gears and talk about what you should be eating to nourish and protect this vital organ. Remember, a healthy brain requires a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, which are packed with antioxidants that protect your brain from damage. Opt for lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, beans, and lentils, which provide the building blocks for neurotransmitters. And don't forget about healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, are crucial for brain health and have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. So there you have it, the most dangerous foods for your brain and what you can do to protect it. The food you choose to fuel your body can either support or sabotage your brain's ability to function at its best. Be mindful of what you eat, and your brain will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your brain healthy and sharp. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your brain health. Until next time, stay healthy.